வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ.
ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 9 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 1 எவல்யூஷன் ஆஃப் ஹியூமன்ஸ் அண்ட் சொசைட்டி prehistoric period lesson book exercise question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, dash is genetically closest to humans. Option A gorilla, option B chimpanzee, option C orangutan, option D great apes. Here the correct answer is option B chimpanzee. Second one, the period called dash marks the beginning of agriculture and animal domestication. Option A Paleolithic, option B Mesolithic, option C Neolithic, option D Megalithic. Here the correct answer is option C Neolithic. Third one, direct ancestor of modern man was dash. Option A Homo habilis, option B Homo erectus, option C Homo sapiens, option D Neanderthal man. Here the correct answer is option C Homo sapiens. Fourth one, dash refers to the area covering Egypt, Israel, Palestine and Iraq. Option A Great Rift Valley, option B Fertile Crescent, option C Solar River, option D Neander Valley. Here the correct answer is option B Fertile Crescent. Fifth one, Sir Robert Bruce Foote, a geologist from England, first discovered the dash tools at Pallavaram near Chennai. Option A Microlithic, option B Paleolithic, option C Mesolithic, option D Neolithic. Here the correct answer is option B Paleolithic. Sixth one, statement 1. The period before the introduction of writing is called prehistory. Statement 2. The prehistoric people developed language, made beautiful paintings and artifacts. Statement 3. The prehistoric societies are treated as literate. Statement 4. The prehistoric period is called ancient. Option A 1 is correct. Option B 1 and 2 are correct. Option C 1 and 4 are correct. Option D 1 and 3 are correct. Here the correct answer is option C 1 and 4 are correct. That is statement 1 and 4 are correct. Seventh one, statement 1. The Neolithic people used polished stone axes called cells. Statement 2. Evidence of Neolithic village is found at Payampalli in Chennai district. Statement 3. The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called the Bronze Age. Statement 4. The period that witnessed domestication of animals and cultivation of crops is called Mesolithic. Option A 1 is correct. Option B 2 is correct. Option C 2 and 3 are correct. Option D 4 is correct. Here the correct answer is option A 1 is correct. That is statement 1 is correct. Other 3 statements are wrong. Eighth one, assertion. Many of the Mesolithic sites are found nearby rivers and tanks. Reason. Irrigation management developed during Mesolithic period. Option A. A and R are correct and R explains A. Option B. A and R are correct but R does not explain A. Option C. A is correct but R is incorrect. Option D. A and R are incorrect. Here the answer is option D. A and R both are incorrect. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, hand axes and cleavers are the important tool types of the dash culture. The answer is Lower Paleolithic. Second one, the methods and techniques involved in the production of stone tools are called dash technology. The answer is Lithic. Third one, dash is known as the Middle Stone Age as it is placed between the Paleolithic and Neolithic. The answer is Mesolithic period. Third Roman letter, find out the correct statement. Question number 1. Statement A. The concept survival of the fittest contributed to the scientific understanding of human origins. Statement B. The book on the origin of species was published by Albert Spencer. Statement C. Darwin's theory of biological evolution connects with the process of natural selection. Statement D. Geology is the study of lithic technology. So from these four statements, we should find out the statement which is correct. So the correct answer is statement A and statement C are correct. Statement B and D are wrong. Question number 2. Statement A. Among the great apes, orangutan is genetically the closest to humans. Statement B. The ancestors to humans were called hominins and their origins have been traced to Africa. Statement C. Flake cannot be used for tool making. Statement D. Acheulean is the main block of stone from which small chips are flaked by using a hammer stone. So from these four statements, we should find out the statement which is correct. The answer is statement B is correct. Other three statements are wrong. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. First one, paleoanthropology, the study of the human ancestors. Second one, hand axe tools, Acheulean. Third one, images on stone and bone, Venus. Fourth one, red sand dunes, Terrace. Fifth one, stone artifacts of small size, microliths. Fifth Roman letter, answer the following briefly. Question number 1. Discuss how the age of speculation made humans become conscious and knowledgeable. Question number 2. Write a note on the impact of pastoralism on the prehistoric people in Tamil Nadu. Question number 3. List out the features of megalithic burial types. Question number 4. Examine the tool making technical skills of lower Paleolithic people. Sixth Roman letter, answer the following in detail. Question number 1. The developments in the fields of agriculture, pottery and metal tools are considered a landmark in the life of megalithic period. Substantiate. Question number 2. The history of humans is closely related to the history of the earth. Elucidate. Let us see some additional questions in this lesson. First Roman letter, answer the following question. Question number 1. Hominid and hominins. Choose the correct answer. First one. We live in an age of dash technology. Information. Second one. The history of humans cannot be delinked from the history of the dash. Earth. Third one. The study of human past through the analysis and interpretation of material remains is called dash. Archaeology. Fourth one. The study of human ancestors and their evolution is called dash. Paleoanthropology. Fifth one. The earth was formed approximately dash billion years ago. 4.54. Sixth one. Eons are long period of time covering dash of years. Millions. Seventh one. The primitive multicellular life first appeared in the dash era. Proterozoic. Eighth one. Dinosaurs lived in the dash era. Mesozoic. Ninth one. The beginning of history writing is traced to the time of ancient dash Greeks. 10th one. The father of history is dash Herodotus. 11th one. The Museum of Enigadi Nana was established in dash Mesopotamia. 12th one. The oldest surviving museum, Capitoline Museum, is located in dash Italy. 13th one. World's oldest university museum is located at dash Oxford. 14th one. The study of fossil is known as paleontology. 15th one. The hallmark of human civilization is the introduction of dash writing system. 16th one. Lithic technology involves dash stone. 17th one. Cro-Magnons belonged to dash Europe. 18th one. Cro-Magnons belonged to dash Upper Paleolithic period. 19th one. The stone tools of Lower Paleolithic culture of Tamil Nadu are found at dash Adirampakkam. 20th one. Cognition is related to the development of human dash thought. 20th one. Donates are tools in the shape of a dash crescent. 22. The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called dash megalithic. 23rd accession. The Ashokan inscriptions dated to 3rd century BCE referred to the Seras, Solas, Pandyas and Satyaputras outside his empire in Tamilagam. Reason: ancient kings of Tamilagam commenced their political rule in the Iron Age. The answer is option A. A and R are correct and R explains A. The next Roman letter is fill in the blanks. The next Roman letter is find out the correct statement. The next Roman letter is match the following.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.